All right, what's going on, everybody? Austin here. We are at the Ellenwood in Nocatee, the new Del Webb in Nocatee. It's gonna be about 850 homes in here, and this is one of their villa series, which is a duplex. And look at that, I can show you that right there. So 1,500, a little over 1,500 square foot. Can be a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom. Oh, there's my sunglasses. So we came into the front door, went to the left. We've got the garage out here. Just a little bit of a nook around the corner there. Your main control panel box where your internet and all that stuff comes in. Pretty deep linen closet there. So right from the front door. In a 3-bedroom plan, this would actually be enclosed in as the 3rd bedroom. Shown here, it's kind of an open office or a dining room concept. Kitchen area. Extra bath right here. And this is the 2nd bedroom. Got some more folks coming in here. Going here through the living space. So, good, thanks. And here is the master bedroom. Pocket door into the master bath, 2 bowls. Good sized shower. Not too huge. Plenty of room. This is the commode room here. And a linen closet. And the master closet. Alright, this is the Ellenwood, right at 50, I wish I could remember everything. Right at 1,500 square foot, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bath and 2 car garage here in the new Del Webb in Nocatee, Del Webb Nocatee.